Alright, so here are oh, sorry. Okay, here are my little birbs, my parakeets actually. There are two of them, and so I decided to call them Mango and Kiwi. These are my birthday. These guys are my birthday presents, and well, their species is are little canary wing parakeets. They're small, but they're pretty cool pets. And if you hate like very loud noises, then I don't think you should get one of these or two. These guys are pretty loud. So, but it's your choice if you want to get one or not. A canary wing parakeet. Alright, so, yep, that's that. Bye.